If you have been banned from Pandora and wish to appeal the decision, follow these steps to submit your request effectively. Step 1. Review the ban reason. Understand why your account was banned by checking your email for any communication from Pandora. This will help you address the specific issues in your appeal. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your username, email address associated with the account, and any relevant details about your usage that may help your case. Step 3. Visit the Pandora Help Center. Go to the Pandora Help Center on their website. Look for the section related to account issues or bans to find specific instructions on how to appeal your ban. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Follow the provided instructions to submit your appeal. Fill out any required forms accurately and provide a clear explanation of why you believe the ban should be lifted, addressing any specific reasons mentioned in the ban notice. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for a response from Pandora. This process may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates regarding your appeal status. In conclusion, appealing a ban requires understanding the reason behind it, gathering relevant information, and following the proper procedures to submit your case. Good luck!